So I would aim at the person's head. So it throws.
Say hi.
Hello.
Over them.
I'll stay camping. I got it. It's still fucking tall as shit.
Yep.
How's this work?
Alright. Oh, you have left to start?
So
brake, you know that?
Yeah.
Rear brake. Front brake. Alright. So you feel the first click where it first starts to be resistant up at the top. Let it go back up a little bit. Right there, you hear that click?
Yeah.
Right there. So you push it down and it's going to go down toward the peg. But you don't just push down, you have to make an arcing motion with it. You're not in neutral.
Oh shit. Okay.
So pop it either neutral or the clutch, one of the two. Yeah, you're not on the road. It's not smooth.
Holy shit, that is amazing. Like, holy fuck, that is amazing. I just need to, like, holy crap. Okay, I need to get used to that because a lot of adrenaline. Oh my god, that is so fucking fun. Holy shit. Felt like I nearly was gonna lose it there back on one of those rocks, but that thing is legit. Holy shit, I'm gonna just keep it first though. I'm not gonna lie there. Ah, god damn it, okay. Oh, fuck this. Let's keep going. Okay. Holy fuck. Ah, shit. Okay, well, that sucks. Oh my god, this is the most fun fucking thing ever. Like, this is fun, but oh my, I'm tired. Like, not gonna lie, like, this, I don't know. It's interesting. So, this is my first time ever riding a dirt bike. Like, that's so, it's just different from, well, obviously, it's so much different than the street. But it's crazy. It's like a crazy thought going through my head while I'm riding, because it's like, you almost lose it. It feels like you're gonna lose it. I swear to God, it feels so much like you're gonna just completely wipe out. But I don't know, you don't. And that's the crazy part. It's like you just don't for some reason. Oh, I gotta get me one of these. Holy fuck, this is fun. Okay. But I just get I think, I don't know, maybe it's because the train's intense or there's a lot of vibration, but like my hands and my forearm are like super tired, and I've only been going for like 5 minutes, 2 minutes. That's with stopping. Like my like hands are like tingling almost. There's like a town up there. That's interesting. I wonder if that's what Kevin was talking about. It's like a meth house. I don't know. This was fun though. This is a shit ton of fun. Holy crap. I could see totally getting like good at this, and like I also don't want to go crazy because I don't have any gear at all, so I don't want to fuck myself. Besides the helmet and gloves, I have no gear. But this shit's fun. Holy fuck. But like, I don't know, it's weird because you get tired. Okay. That butt is fucking awesome. Oh, son of a bitch. I'm good. I'm done now. I'm just gonna sit here.
Did it stall on you, or are you just cruising?
Huh?
Did it stall on you, or are you just cruising?
When?
Like out there?
I stopped at one point.
Oh, okay.
Oh, did you guys hear the engine quit running?
No, we just couldn't hear you for a long time. So.
Oh no. No, I went a ways out.
Is it idling that high?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was.
I know, but usually it drops down after a couple seconds.
Oh,
You have fun?
that was so much fun. I had a blast. I'm not gonna lie, I almost lost it at one point coming around a turn. I took it too slow, and it kind of started I was like, oh shit, but I saved it.
That happened, just put more gas.
Yeah, pretty much. I figured that out. Holy fuck.
Out, throttle out.
I know what I'm asking for Christmas now.
You're not gonna get that.
No way. There's no way in hell.
It's like a little tiny platinum chocolate thing. I only paid $1,700 for mine.
Thank you very much, Kevin. I appreciate it.
Thanks. Yeah.
My soup.
I'm so sorry, Don. I ruined your soup for
I'm
you.
so hungry. I was waiting on my Dr. Pepper special.
How do you kill the engine? Do you literally just drop it?
No, there's a kill switch.
Where?
Right next to the left handle. There's a button. It's a little button. It's the only button on the handlebars.
Oh, that little thing?
The little black one. Think that was a horn? Eep, eep. Hey, hey, bad right.
I was like, I don't know how to turn this thing off, so I just dropped the clutch.
It's a juniper. Fuck that shit up. Fucking juniper.
Probably not a good thing, but
Juniper's a hoe. They're gonna come back. That was fun. I say we take down the Texans and get out of here. That's really